My name is Urmila Nibangune and today's topic is scope of variables. First of all, we will see what is variable. Then we will see why we needed it and the scope of variable. First of all, what is variable? Variable is nothing but a container that saves value. That means in order to save some value in our program, which we need in our program, we have to generate or create a variable, and the value is assigned to that variable. That variable have data type. We can store the value according to the data type. That means suppose we have written that data type is integer, then we have to store integer kind of data in our variable. Variable name is defined by your programmer. If we are creating a program, then we can uh, declare or initialize the variable according to our need. Then we can say a variable is nothing but a memory location, name of memory location. Then scope of variable is nothing but a region or a block where the variable we have declared is used. Suppose we can declare or initialize or use the variable in the class, in the method, or in the block. There are, according to uh, initialization process, they are classified into three scopes. That is, first is instance variable, second is local variable, and third is static variable. We'll see these three one by one. First is local variable. When we declare or define or initialize the variable inside a method or inside a block, then it is called as local variable. The scope of this variable is only limited for that block or for that method. If we try to use that variable from outside that method, then it will give an error. Then second one is instance variable. When we declare a variable inside a class but outside a method or outside any block which is present in our program or outside a constructor, then it is known as instance variable. Instance variable get called from main method directly by using object name. To call instance variable, we have to create object of that class. The scope of instance variable is limited for that class only. Also, we can use that instance variable in our method, and we can declare instance variable inside a class and outside inside a class anywhere but outside a method. Then third one is static variable. If we use static keyword as a prefix while declaring a variable, then it is known as static variable. We can call static variable directly from the main method as it is static. The scope of static variable is inside a class. In order to call static variable from non-static method, we have to use class name. That's it.